welcome back to our channel. Today we are making rain clouds.
Let's zoom right into it.
Yeah. Need food coloring, shaving cream, and water.
Perfect. Now let's begin. Need help?
Yes, I can help you.
Turn it the other way. Push it. Yes. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Perfect.
It's on my finger.
It's okay. Some for yours as well?
I will wash my hands later.
Okay. All right. Keep going all the way to the top like it's a Sunday. And these are your clouds, right?
Yes. These clouds look a little bit white.
They are.
The full coloring is our rain.
Okay, and when it weighs down, what's going to happen?
It's going to be a droplet.
Perfect. Okay, good job.
As you can see, the clouds are up in the sky.
Yes, and the water is the what?
The one there is atmosphere.
Perfect. Look, it's still coming down. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Even though she's put her hands inside of the shaving cream and mixed the food coloring, as you can see, the clouds are still hanging up high in the jar. This was an awesome experience. I love you too, baby. Okay, and
Today we have reached 500 subscribers.
and today we are going to celebrate by busting these confetti balloons.
Yeah, I
1, 2, 3, bust the balloons! Yay! Bust it, bust it, bust it! Keep on! Yay! Where's the other one? Ah, that one's a little hard.
Is this one?
All of them. Yay! Awesome! Awesome! Yay! Woo! We did it! We did it! Thank you for all of the support. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for watching. Come back again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Tuesdays and Fridays. And on Tuesdays and Fridays. Tuesdays and Thursdays, not Tuesdays and Fridays.
That is correct. Tuesdays and Thursdays. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful Tuesday.
Love you.